Hello dear students. Today we will discuss a topic related to molecular mass. Molecular mass is nothing but a mass of a molecule. Always the molecular mass is compared with the carbon 12 because the mass of a molecule or mass of atom are so small we cannot measure by actual or very sensitive weighing machine. So it is known as relative molecular mass. Already you know why is it given relative molecular mass, because it is always compared with the other substances, other standard substances. So relative molecular mass is the relative molecular mass of a molecule is the number of times a molecule of that compound is heavier than 1 by 12th mass of carbon 12. We can find its mathematical formula. Relative molecular mass equal to the one molecule of a compound by 1 by 12 mass of one atom of a carbon 12. And we already know why we are taking carbon 12, because carbon 12 is exactly its 1 by 12 part is 1 U. So that carbon is considered as a standard mass for comparing the molecular mass and atomic mass. Example, molecular mass of methane CH4 is 16 U, which means that a molecule of methane is 16 times heavier than 1 by 12 of carbon 12. So how do we measure? Its unit are U, unified mass, or AMU, atomic mass unit, or Dalton, DA. In these units we measure the atomic mass or molecular mass. Now let us see what do you mean by formula unit mass. Formula unit mass is nothing but it is a molecular mass whose constituents particles are ions or ionic compounds. Example, the formula unit mass of a calcium oxide is 56 unit. More formula unit mass you will study in the higher class. But you remember there is no difference between molecular mass and formula unit mass. Only formula unit mass is used for molecules which are formed by ionic substances or by ions. That is called a formula unit mass. Okay. Now let us see how to calculate molecular mass. So molecular mass can be calculated very easily if you know the atomic mass of the substances. From the view of atomic masses, we can easily calculate molecular mass of the molecules. Example, molecular mass of a sulfur. Molecular mass of sulfur dioxide. Here in the sulfur dioxide, let us see its formula is SO2, which consists of one sulfur atom and two oxygen atom. So how we can write the process? Now mass of one atom of sulfur plus mass of two atoms of oxygen equal to 1 into atomic mass of sulfur plus 2 into atomic mass of oxygen. So 1 into 32 is the atomic mass of sulfur plus 2 into 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. So 32 plus 32, it becomes 64 U. And let us see how to find another example of molecular mass of calcium hydroxide. What is the molecular mass of calcium hydroxide? What is the formula for calcium hydroxide? No, it is CaOH whole 2. So how to find this is? Now mass of one atom of calcium plus 2 into, because OH whole 2 So when OH hold 2 years in your mathematics, it is the 2 is multiplied, though it is a lower subscript, but it is multiplied with both O and H. So 2 into mass of OH. So what it became? Now 1 into atomic mass of calcium plus 2 into atomic mass of 1 atom of oxygen and mass of 1 atom of hydrogen, because it consists of OH, 1 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. So now let us see. So 1 into 40, where 40 is the atomic mass of calcium, plus 2 into 1 into atomic mass of oxygen, plus 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So it becomes 1 into 40, 40. So 2 into 1 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 1 into 1 atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So it became 40 plus 2 into 16 plus 1. It became 40 into 2 plus 2 into 17. So it became 40 plus 34. It became 74 U. So in this way you find the molecular mass of a substance. Now let us see another process how we find a molecular mass of a bauxite. Its molecular formula is Al2O3 2H2O. So 2H2O, here how many aluminum atom? Now aluminum atom is 2. How many oxygen atom? Oxygen atom is 3. But what is about H2O? But there are 2 H2O. That means the 2 is multiplied with both hydrogen and oxygen. So what it became now? How will you write the formula? Now mass of 2 atoms of aluminum plus mass of 3 atoms of oxygen plus 2 into mass of H2O. So now 2 into atomic mass of aluminum plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen plus 2 into atomic mass of 2 hydrogen atom, because H2 plus mass of 1 oxygen atom. So it became 2 into 27, which is atomic mass of aluminum, 3 into 16 atomic mass of oxygen, plus 2 into 2 atomic mass of hydrogen, and 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. So it became 2 into 27, 54. So this is 3 into 16, 48. 2 into 1 means atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into 16 atomic mass of oxygen. So it became 102 plus 2 into 2 plus 6. So it became 102 plus 2 into 18. So it is 100 plus 36. It is 138 U. So in this way we can calculate the molecular mass of chemical substances or compounds. Thank you.